Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial, I will show you on how you can fix Roblox Account Manager Restricted Account Experience. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, you want to head over to the official website of Roblox, and once inside, you can just go ahead and log in the account that you are having some problems with. Inside, you want to click on the gear icon, and from here you want to select on settings. Once inside the settings of our account, you just have to head over to parental controls, and from here you have to select the parental pin. Now you have to make sure that this is turned on, and right after, you want to select the allowed experiences. All experiences are searchable. Experiences without experience guidelines are treated as 13 plus and are prohibited from displaying any 17 plus content. So you want to select all ages in allowed experiences, and you should be able to get rid of that problem. Now take note that once you have set a pin, you have to enter your pin before changing these settings right here. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.